welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you create an account on your Spotify. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome and tap on Google, and then search spotify.com on the search bar and search for it. Tap on the first website showing on your screen. After opening spotify.com, it will show you an interface like this, and after coming on this page, just wait for a while it is opening. You can see your Spotify is open. You just have to create accounts. So let's proceed further. Just simply tap on sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. Let's proceed with the Google account. You just have to write your Gmail or your email. It will connect your email with your Spotify account and create your account instantly. It is a very easy and a pretty simple process, and I hope you like the video. You just have to fulfill all this information. Name your date of birth, your gender, and just mark your preferable instructions, and then tap on that I'm not a robot and I'm a human, and then tap on sign up. This is how you can create your account on your Spotify. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can create your account on your Spotify.